Hello guys, hello everyone, how are you all doing? You're welcome to my channel. Like guys, today is another beautiful day, and as usual, under must we must have things that we will do in a day. Like now, I just finished washing my clothes. I just finished washing the clothes. So right now, there is a farm that I'm farming, so I want to go collect cassava stem to plant it on my farm. That is where I'm going to right now. So guys, stay tuned and continue watching. I'm there right now. So guys, I'm there already. I want to just take some cassava stem. I want to just take some. Let me cut this one. I want to just take few cassava stem, some, to go plant it on my farm. Hey, how are you?
A few minutes later.
Mommy,
You won't see it because of sun.
I'm seeing it small.
Like guys, I'm through with the farm. Like I'm done for today. I'm done for today. All my body is just paining me. As you can see, I just finished baiting now. I just finished baiting. You can see that it's proper. I just finished baiting. So I've already bait my little baby and my daughter, remaining my son. Remaining my son. I'm so tired. So I want to go bathe my son. I said I will go rest. Like I really need to sleep. See me say farm. Hey, 2025, me and the farm. Okay, well, no problem, Jerry. So guys, stay tuned and continue watching.
The next day.
Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? How was your night? Like guys, this is another beautiful morning, and I want to spend my day in the farm, guys. I'm already in the farm right now. I'll be making a video where shh, see doggo. I don't know what dog is doing on my farm. I don't know what these dogs are doing on my farm. So guys, I'm right now in the farm. I want to come and complete it. I want to come and complete what I've been doing it since all this time. So I'm here right now to complete it. Although I'm planting cassava stem. I'm planting cassava stem, but I'll be showing you right now the things I'm doing on my farm, what I planted and the ones that is remaining. So guys, stay tuned and continue watching. Oh my god, oh my god. So guys, these are the ones that I've done. Small I'll just finish this part. These are the ones that I've done, and I've already planted a cassava stem on these ones. I've already planted cassava stem on these ones, and I also planted maize. You can see that the maize are germinating. You can see that the maize, they are germinating. You can see it. They have started germinating. So I've already round up this place. See the maize. They have already started germinating. They have started germinating. Look at it. Look at it. So I've already planted cassava stem. I've already round up this place. Oh my god, my maize is already germinating. So guys, these are the ones I planted yesterday. These are the ones I planted yesterday. You can see it. These are the ones I planted yesterday. I farmed this one yesterday. I don't know what this dog is doing here. So these are the ones I farmed yesterday. What I want to do now is only this line. I have to reach this line and this one, then put the cassava stem, because I want to go to market to go buy some corn. So guys, these are the garden I was doing then. Oh my god, the corn is too much. I said it that I don't know how to farm. Look at, it's too much, Joe. And this is my vegetable. It's already growing. This one is my vegetable. So after farming, I will still come and separate them. I will come and separate all these things. I just left them for now. This is the one that I've already done that day. This is my okra. It's already growing. I will soon separate them. But the most important one now is my vegetable. I thought it would not even grow, but look at it, it's already growing. It's already growing over there. This one is just coming out. This one is just coming out. Look at this one. Look at this one. They are just coming out. So guys, stay tuned and continue watching. Let's finish the remaining one. How are you?
Next one.
So guys, you see how we used to do our own farm work. So if you are a Niger babe, you need to be strong. You understand? To farm. So guys, I think I've round up for today. Till tomorrow. You can see it. You can see it. You can see. Thank you. You can see it. This one is the one that I've already done. I just did this one now. So small. I'll be doing it. But I'll be going to market today to go buy corn. Like I said, you can see that these ones that I did, they have already started germinating. Look at it. They have already started germinating. So I'll still need to go buy more corn. But I'm done for today. Let me go look for cassava stem and complete the place that I've not yet planted. So guys, the cassava stem I took yesterday was not enough, so I decided to come take another one. As you can see it, I decided to come take another one. So guys, stay tuned and continue watching. Give it like this.
Mm.